Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CECOS University. First, what you have to do is open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, which is URL section, type down CECOS Universe. Log into CECOS University. After you're done, click on that. And here we can see on this option that says CECO University. You have to know you are clicking the right website, which is the red option like this, which is symbolized by C. And after that, click this. And here we could see on the top the student, parents, alumni, as I'm going with the alumni. So what you have to do is just enter your registered email and password in order to log into your account. Type down your email and also your password. And after that, click on this login option, and then you'll be successfully logged into CECOS University. But if you are, but if you have not registered yet, or if you are a new member, you can click on this option that says register in order to enroll your account in CECOS. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.